Hello! Is that a little tickle you feel? Don't fight it! You're about to be a hero! When you chew, I'm not just clearing dust. I'm a biological defense system prepping for launch. I hit the eject button at 160 kilometers an hour. That's faster than a highway speed limit. Get out of my face! Forget the speed. I am a shotgun of germ grenades. One blast, 100,000 particles airborne.
And this mist doesn't just fall. It can travel 30 feet. That's the length of this bus, looking for its next victim.
So next time you feel me coming, use a tissue. Otherwise, you're basically a bioweapon in a hoodie. Subscribe to Brain Bites if you don't want to be patient zero. And that's why.